Hello, everyone. My name is Catherine Ta, and I'm a social media marketing and productivity strategist. Today, I'm going to start with the very basics, and we're going to start with using Facebook to basically start your business online. So, if you haven't already done so, um, one of the most important things is to make sure that you have some social media presence. So I'm sure you probably already have a Facebook page, a personal Facebook page. So what we're going to do is go to the home page here and go to the side menu here and look for pages. This is where you're going to create your business page. If you're starting off a business venture, this is where you want to start. So you can go on the side here and click create new page, fill out the information here, create some graphics, or just add a photo that you have in your album. Make sure that you have a good profile picture, a good description of what you do or what you offer, and then make sure you save that all. Okay, now once you've saved that, I'm not going to create a new one here. I'm just going to go to one that I've already made. And so once you create it, you're going to have a page that kind of looks like this, okay? So from here, if you want to create a group that is managed by this page, you'll go into more here and click groups. If you don't see groups here, which is what happened in my case, go down to settings on the side menu here and templates and tabs on the side menu, and make sure that groups is on the on, it's toggled to the on position. And that way, if you go back to your page, it will appear on this menu. Okay, so you want to select that and create a new group, or if you already have one, you can link it to the group that you already have. So here, most people will probably just be starting. So here is where you'll, again, it's almost like creating a Facebook page, but this is a group for interactions, not for business. And that's it. If you have any questions, DM me, comment below, but get started. Just play with it and figure it out. Have a great day. Thanks for joining me.